Welcome back to the Metaenga's video tutorial series. In this episode, we'll explore how to manage XR training content. And now that we have users, let's dive into the training library and learn how to assign training modules. Under the VR Apps tab, you'll find a library of immersive and interactive CGI training modules. The library will include up to 10 modules under the paid subscription plan and one module under the free subscription plan. Over time, the training library will continue to expand. To learn more about specific training module, simply open its page. Here, you'll find detailed information about the training, including the training outline, features, learning objectives, duration and pacing, assessments, localization options, and more. And from the module page, you can assign the training to users or a group of users, or launch it in kiosk mode. Additionally, you can perform the same actions directly from the training list by selecting one or multiple training modules at once. And let's say we have one or several new training modules that we would like our maintenance department to go through. To assign these modules, I'll select them, click on the Actions icon, and choose Assign Module. In the next pop-up window, I'll type in Maintenance Department in the search bar and select it. And then I'll click the Assign button. And now these modules are successfully assigned to the Maintenance Department and will become accessible from their library page. The same principle applies to the 360 videos section. Here you can upload your own 360 training videos using the Upload Video feature. And when uploading, you'll be required to provide a title, description, and the subject for the video for easier navigation and categorization in the future. And to upload the 360 video, simply drag and drop your video file and wait for the upload to complete. Once the upload is finished, the video will appear under the 360 video page. And what if you have an extensive library and can't find the right content quickly? Use the search bar at the top of the page, or take advantage of the filter and sorting options to locate and access your desired content quickly. And that's how you manage XR training content on the Metaenga platform. You can assign training modules to specific users or groups, upload your own 360 training content, and utilize the search and filter options to navigate through your content library. In the next episode, we'll explore the Classrooms feature, where you can conduct collaborative learning experiences. So stay tuned for more exciting insights into the Metaenga XR training platform.